This used to be me cleaning my pool. Then I found the Aiper Scuba X1. Now this is me. Hi guys, as you can see, it is a beautiful sunny day out and I am enjoying a drink poolside. I have never been satisfied until I found this baby, and I had to get on and to share my experiences with you today. So this does everything you can imagine to perfection, including cleaning the floor of your pool, riding up the walls with its incredible suction, even cleaning the water line, the edge around your pool. So whether you're relaxing by yourself in your backyard or you're having a gathering, you can always make sure that your pool is just sparkling and beautiful. I'm gonna take you through my experiences with this, show you some of the key features, but before I do that, I just wanted to pop up a before and after so you can see the difference this has made in my pool. But before we get into it, I just want to give a big shout out to Aiper for really understanding how important people's time is, how busy people like technology that makes their life easier. That's definitely me. I want something with results that is going to be efficient. So let's get started. You can see that I have this plugged in. It comes in the base. It's in my Florida room. Very easy to charge and has a long-lasting battery life. I also love, if you can see behind me, it comes with this quick start guide. So if you're not a technology person, you think you can't set it up, you're wrong. You simply download the app, you connect the Aiper Scuba One to the app, to your Wi-Fi, and you're all set to go. And then lastly, if you need it, I have not had to use it, this is a little hook to get the robot out of the pool, but I do find when it's cleaning the water line and it's ready and it's finished, I'm easily able to pull it out. I will show you how easy and light it is. I'm tiny and it's not a problem. Let's get it in the pool and put it to work. So it's all charged up, turning it on, and let it get to work. So while the robot is getting to work, let me tell you about its key features and why I really love them and why they're so different than any other pool robot that I've used. So first of all, it has incredible suction. It really, really adheres to the wall of your pool. It climbs up the wall of your pool, and you can see the brush system working. So the brushes are capturing any debris, cleaning off all that residue, mildew, any of that grime that you hate to see on the walls of your pool, and it's sucking it into the filter, which is micro fine, and it will collect all of those micro particles. This is also really cool, check it out. It goes through the entire water line of your pool. So it will literally do a circle around the pool. Doesn't matter what shape your pool is. I have a kidney-shaped pool. That's not an issue. It is smart enough to know, and it will move along that water line, again, making it beautiful and clean. So if you're like me and you like to sit at the edge of the pool, you have guests over, you don't have to worry about having any kind of grime or mildew at the water line. It also has high precision DTOF sensors, which maximizes coverage and avoids obstacles. So if you have anything in your pool, you can see how it will move around that. It even lifts itself up. Super, super smart technology. It even has the ability to climb up the stairs with a stepping technology. So I'm going to show you a video. It is amazing. It will literally climb its way up the stairs and clean your stairs. As I mentioned earlier, one of my favorite things about the Aiper Scuba One is I can control it all through my app, and you can really clean any part of the pool. You can do auto mode, which would allow you to pretty much clean the entire pool, or you can also pick specific areas such as the floor, the walls, the water line, and there's even an eco mode, which I really love about Aiper. So it did its job. It climbed to the top of my stairs, which is cool, and I'm just taking it out. I want to show you something really cool also. We're going to go ahead and we're going to open it up so you can see that one-of-a-kind, innovative micro filter. So here we go. You can see that it captured all of the fine particles. It's the first micro mesh filter So other robots are not going to get the granular particles, but this is going to get everything. So what do you think, guys? Right now, Aiper is having the biggest event of the year from June 10th through the 25th. It's called Aiper Day, and it's their way of thanking all of the pool homeowners out there for being loyal customers, for purchasing one of their robots, and they would like to extend discounts to you. It's a huge event. I'll go ahead and I'll put the link in my description so you guys can take advantage of that now. I am so happy that I have this. It has made my life so much easier. Please make sure to drop any questions you have in the comments. If you know anyone that could use it, share the video. They're gonna thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy more of your summer. Get out there, enjoy your pool. Let the robot do its work and sit back and relax.